Hi everybody. Today we are plotting numbers on a number line. So we've already worked on plotting positive numbers on the number line. So I put a positive number line from 0 to positive 5. But today we will also be working on plotting negative numbers on a number line. So take a look at this number line. See if you can figure out any similarities or any differences between the positive side and the negative side. Now hopefully what you've noticed is that going from 0 to the right you have positive 1, positive 2, positive 3. And going from 0, if we head to the left, you have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So if I could actually take this and hold this number line in front of me, if I could fold it right here on 0, what you'll notice is positive 1 would match up with negative 1. Positive 2 would match up with negative 2. Positive 3 would match up with negative 3, and it would go on like that forever. So what we really have here is our 0 is our line of symmetry. And so if you can plot positive numbers, you can easily plot the negatives. So take a look at the numbers we plotted. We plotted 0.375, we've plotted 1/2, 2 9/10, 3 3/4, and 4 1/2. Once you can plot those on the positive side, if you could picture folding this again, you're folding it along the 0, that's our line of symmetry on a number line, those would completely match up with the negative side. So take a look here. So you could see positive 1/2 is exactly halfway in between 0 and 1. Negative 1/2 is exactly halfway between 0 and negative 1. Let's go over to 2 9/10. See how 2 9/10 is between positive 2 and positive 3, but it's closer to positive 3? Okay, now look at negative 2 9/10. It's between negative 2 and negative 3, and it's closer to negative 3. Same thing with positive 4 1/2. It's halfway between positive 4 and positive 5, and negative 4 1/2 is halfway between negative 4 and negative 5. So if you know how to plot the positives, just picture folding that paper along the 0, along the line of symmetry, and that number will line up exactly where it is on the positive side. That's where it will be on the negative side. So here's what I was just explaining. If the number line is folded on 0, the positive numbers will fold onto the negative partners, and these are called opposites. So positive 2, the opposite would be negative 2. Negative 4, the opposite would be positive 4. And finally, you've got to understand that the further to the left a number is, the smaller the number is. So on this number line here, the biggest number we have is 5. The smallest number we have is negative 5, because the farther left you go, the smaller the number is. So that's all I've got for today. Bye guys.